Okay, first I'm going to start with 1 cup of roasted macadamia nuts. Okay, and we're going to make sure it has that consistency. Let me get a spoon so you can see what I'm talking about. It looks like it's almost butter. Yeah. That's 4 eggs. And this right here is coconut butter. It's 1 cup. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds so at least it can blend a little bit better with batter. This is the one I use, this coconut butter. You can't use coconut oil for this recipe. You have to use the coconut butter because you need the thickness. Make sure it gets all in there, everything. And then I'm gonna put my lid back on. This is very difficult for me right now. And we're gonna let that blend up. We have the zest of 1 lemon. And this is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is like a half a lemon. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now I put it in my pan with some parchment paper. I'm gonna probably cut these ends off some too because they're too big. But you know, it's easier to lift it out of the pan with the parchment paper. And I'm gonna take some everything bagel and sprinkle it right over the top. Get that more nutty sesame flavor with the garlic on top. Oh boy, I can't wait for this. And you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, she just came out of the oven. Give her a few minutes to cool down. And we're gonna see the inside. This looks good. Okay, she is now cooled down and she looks delish. Here she is. Look at this bread. I even cut nice little thin slices. Wow. Now just so you know, this recipe came from a documentary called The Magic Pill. You have to watch that documentary because Flav City, I forgot the guy's name, but he and his wife got the recipe, and I just pretty much took the the ingredients and the measurements from them, and this bread looks like real bread. And it's got a nice, nutty, rich flavor. Oh my God. This is delicious. You gotta make this, guys. Macadamia bread. Taste the coconut. This is delicious. Well, thank you for watching this video. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. You guys have a great night. I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich tomorrow on some real bread. Oh my God, this is delicious. Have a great night, guys.